This one's kind of abstract. It says, consider the case when n is even and m is odd. So we have two things, n even and m is odd. Again, I'm underlining the key pieces of information, so I'm following the same steps here. And I'm color coding because it makes things more clear. Okay? So we have two numbers basically, an even number and an odd number. Each of the following expressions equates to a whole number where n is greater than 6. So n is even and is greater than 6. So it starts from 8, 10, 12, whatever. Which of the expressions are even? So which of these are even? This needs a step back. So this needs a little bit of thinking here. If we multiply an odd number, if we add, since this is all addition, if we add an odd number plus an odd number, we get an even number. And you can try it. Think of 3 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 7 plus 3. Any odd number plus odd number is equal to an even number. Any odd number plus an even number is equal to another odd number. So think of 3 plus 4, 3 plus 2, 8 plus 7. All of these, if you have one odd, one even, then you get an odd number as a result. And then lastly, if you have even plus even, you get even. So 4 plus 8, 4 plus 4, 2 plus 6, all of these lead to even numbers, okay? This is the addition part. Notice also that they have multiplication, so they have things like 9n or 7m or all of that. And let's look at this together. If I have odd, and let me use a different color here. So if I have odd times odd, so 3 times 3 or 7 times 3 or 7 times 9, all of this results in odd. If I have odd times even, so 2 times 3, 4 times 3, 4 times 7, 5 times 10, all of these result in even. And then lastly, if I have even times even, I also get even. So think of 6 times 4, 4 times 8, 12 times 12. All of these lead to even numbers. Okay, so in this case, we had to do a little bit of thinking, right? And try out all the different possibilities. Now, here, they want us to check all the expressions that lead to even numbers. So this, and we know that n is even and m is odd. So here we have basically odd plus even. And here we know odd plus even is odd. So we're not going to check this. So we know that A is not the right answer. It's not one of the right answers. Let's look at the simpler ones first. Here we have 6 times n. So we know 6 is even. And we know n is even. So this term so far is even. Let me label it E. And then 7 times m. This is odd times odd because m is odd and 7 is odd. And so we know that 7m, because odd times odd is odd, would be odd. And so now we have this situation where we have odd plus even. And so we know odd plus even is always going to be odd, and so this is not one of them. Then we have 7n plus 6, 6m, and so on. I'm not actually going to finish this because this is going to take too much time, but I've laid out the framework for you to continue thinking about this on your own, okay? These questions take a little bit of thought, take a little bit of time. You're not going to get them right away. You want to highlight the key pieces of information, see what you know, what you don't know, and read and reread the problem, and try to give it some respect. You know, give it some time. Really think about it to find the right answer. Okay. Good luck. If you have any questions, please email me, and please request tutoring if you're having a hard time. All right. Good luck, and I'll see you in class. Bye.